Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to know how to know who takes screenshot in Snapchat story. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji. And if you scroll down, you can see there is an option My Story, in which we can see there are two people who have viewed your story. And in one, there is a screenshot option. And here you can see on the side, in the panda person, there is a screenshot icon that is showing. So from there you can see two persons have seen with the eye icon, and one person has taken the screenshot of your story. And this is how you can determine how many person have taken screenshot of your Snapchat story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.